Good morning, BLS! Happy Wednesday! Welcome to BLSTV! This is our 15th episode.
Wait, really?
I have no clue. This week and next week are our AP testing weeks, our days for all of our AP testers, our juniors, sophomores, and seniors. And I just wanted to say I wish you guys a lot of luck on your testing, and I hope you guys get 4s, 5s, 3s, you know, anything. Even if you get a 0, which is not even on the scale, I applaud you for even showing up to take that test.
Is 0 even on the scale?
No, it's 1 through 5.
Oh.
If you get a 0, then there's something wrong with you. But if you get a 0, that's okay, because at least you showed up. At least you paid that $100 fee. At least you woke up early in the morning or stayed later in the evening, take that test, and I'm proud of you guys.
Tell them to bring me my money.
So how was your test?
My test was amazing. As they say, AP Enviro is allegedly the easiest AP out there. You know, I feel like, I don't know, as people say, I feel like I did really well. You know, my teacher, Mr. Gay, he really, actually, I forgot. BLSTV hates Mr. Gay.
Why?
I mean, look at him. No one likes to go to his class. Walking to the 3rd floor, I think I'm gonna pass.
Harvard needs 90 junior ushers. So if you're a junior and you have less than, if you're a junior and you have like more than 1 C.
A's and B's.
Yeah.
But if you have any grades that are C- and below, not be qualified for this volunteer opportunity.
But if you do qualify, you do get to miss school for like 1 day.
And you get to help out with commencement for Harvard, the graduation. So if you guys go and you see a little admissions officer, you can be like, I'm BLS and I'm helping. So, you know, if you want me to hand you your little appetizer, get me into Harvard. So
also, you get community service hours.
Also that. So that's a business exchange in itself. But what I'm saying, if you guys get into that spot to be one of the ushers with commencement, do what I do and you'll get into Harvard. I already have my guaranteed spot. That's what I did last year. And I'm in Harvard now. I don't even gotta work. Okay, I wasn't telling anybody because it's technically illegal. But, you know, if you guys wanna...
For legal purposes, I don't agree.
For legal purposes, this is all like common.
Yeah. So now we're gonna move on to the weather by Yllaena.
It's gonna be raining a lot. I think maybe. I don't know.
What type of weather person? Thank you, Yllaena, for the weather. You heard her. It's gonna be very dry. Deserts. Drought.
Pack your water bottles. Next, we're gonna move on to BLS on the block with
Devin and Harrison.
Shut up! Welcome back to another episode of BLSTV. I'm Devin.
I'm Harrison.
So this week we are giving you the greatest study tips for your AP test.
Yeah.
Here's a fast tip. If you are seeing this the day before, like the night before your AP test, stay up all night and study because the other kids are gonna be sleeping, right? You have 7 hours of knowledge that you can get into your brain. The other kids are sleeping. They don't have that 7 hours to prepare, you know? Hi, I'm here with
Vishnu Rescue.
what advice do you have for future students taking the advanced placement calculus test?
If you're taking the AB test, stay up all night studying. I'm talking like up till 6 a.m. Don't sleep. You don't need it. You'll be fine. Taking the BT test, I love you.
He has a really sweaty and strong grip. Okay. So, can you tell us about your past experience with the AP?
Yeah, of course.
I can't talk.
I'm
so nervous with this.
I got a 5 on the AP Calculus examination. Y yo recibo un 2 en el examen de español.
Oh, I keep getting an error.
Louder.
Oh, I keep getting an error.
Remember, guys, the College Board is very sneaky, and they really want to trick you, right? So if you keep getting an error when you calculate something on your AP test, that means that it's a trick question. Leave the questions completely blank. That's how you get points. Guys, don't be fooled. Act harder, not smarter. Hi, I'm with Mr. Harris, the teacher of AP Art. Would you like to say anything to the AP students out there who are testing like right now?
Good luck to everybody. The next 3 weeks are going to be grueling.
And we have an exclusive AP tip from the AP Art teacher. So if you don't know the answer to the test, what should you draw to try to win the College Board over? Like, what do you see getting 5s on AP Art?
I don't know, but I'd probably definitely ask ChatTTP.
Yeah, so if you don't know the answer, pull out your phone and search, what should I draw? And then draw it on the AP test. I'm sure that will work.
Well, actually, the funny thing is, this year, this is the big thing, even for AP Studio Art. They give us a thing that we have to check off, and they said that no student will use online art-generating processes to create art.
Well, there goes my entire portfolio.
I know. What are we going to do these days? We were counting on this.
Guys, be careful out there, especially you AP Art students.
Yeah, go to bed early. Study hard.
Study. Okay, so my lawyer has informed me that this is purely a joke, right? Please do not stay up all night. Please do not whip out your phone during the test. Please do not eat a healthy breakfast. Remember to like and subscribe. And hit that bell. I know the BLSTV demographic isn't the brightest, but I think y'all will be okay.
Such a great episode, guys.
Thank you,
really
guys.
enjoyed it.
We
It
really
was
did.
really fun to watch.
Thank you.
Hey guys,
Alright.
that's all for BLSTV this week.
Thank you for tuning
It was
in.
a slow news week, so we
Slow.
had nothing to talk about.
Nothing to talk about. We just blabbered.
Literally.
We just talked the whole entire time. That's okay.
We had so much conversations like that isn't gonna be on
Yeah.
the video.
Like what you guys are
Derek
seeing.
isn't like
What you guys are seeing is a very small portion of what the actual conversation was. So, it is what it is.
yeah.
Maybe one day we'll do a director's cut or something.
Oh, we should do that.
Yeah, because there's so many jokes that Derek and Harrison or whoever edits this doesn't put in.
They hate our jokes.
They
And
hate
they're, like, mad
us.
funny too.
I know, I don't know. The way they edit it, they kind of make us seem like we're not.
Yeah.
But we are.
It's actually kind of because like they make.
Oh my god, remember our first episode when they cut out everything?
That's all for this week.
Thank you for tuning in.
And remember, Sumish TV.